Good morning, my dear students. My name is Palaj Biswas, Assistant Professor, JIS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. And today is my lecture number 31, and also discuss the Weibull distributions. And this is the under my subject of the Quality and Reliability Engineering. The Weibull distributions. In probability theory and statistics, the Weibull distribution is a continuous probability distributions, and basically this is the comes from this the probability distributions, and what will be done, what is the futures in our the products in our company. It is named after Swedish mathematician Wallo D. Weibull, who described it in details in 1951, although it was first identified by Francis 1927 and first applied by Rosen and Ramler 1933 to describe a particle size distributions. And basically the different type of particles is distributed in our the manufacturing industry, that like our the production industry, and this will be described by the distribution is 1933. And these probability density functions of Weibull is comes from this the random variables. Basically the what is the how many variables will be constant according to our the Weibull distributions. This will be comes from the or the random variables. And basically fx, the fx is the lambda k equals to the second brackets k by lambda into x by lambda to the power k minus 1 e to the power minus x by lambda to the power k, such that the x is greater than 0, that likes, and also x is less than 0 will be constant according to this formula. And this formula is comes from our the Weibull random variables, and also this will be depends on the k factors. And basically the x is considered according to the x is greater than 0 or the x is less than 0, then you have to concern according to the k is greater than 0 is the shape parameters, and the lambda is also 0 is greater than 0. The scale parameters of the distributions will be concerned according to our the formula. And its complementary cumulative distributions function is stressed. Exponential functions also will be considered. These exponential functions, the k value is greater than 0, then you have to concern according to this the lambda value is the 0. And the Weibull distribution is related to number of other probability distributions, that like in the particulars it interpolates between the exponential distribution, that like the k is equals to 1, and the Rayleigh's distributions will be comes from this the k equals to 2, and the lambda is equals to 1.14 on sigma is concerned according to the formula. And then you have to concern according to this if the quantity is considered, that like the x is a time to failure, that like you have to concern according to this how many failures is comes during our the productions times. And also you have to concern according to our the applications time, how many failures will be come during to our the system is generated. Then you have to concern according to your systems, the what will be values comes from this the k, and this will be gives a distributions for which the failure rate is proportional to a power of times, that like the shape parameters k is that the power plus 1 will be comes. Another things also will be here, a value of k less than 1 indicates that the failure rate decreasing over this time. Basically during our this the Weibull distributions, we have to consider what will be value of this the failure rate will be lower, rate will be higher, and also this rate will be the randomly will be considered according to what the formula of this the Weibull distributions will be considered, that like the k is less than 1, then your the failure is the decreasing over this the whole times. This will be considered according to this the respect to this the time. And then this happens if there is significance in the infant mortality, also will be considered according to what the or this the the failure rates will be the decreases, because the initial phase, that like what the failure rates will be the decreases, and these times we have to consider according to the infant morality also will be considered, or the defective item failing early and the failures rate decreasing over time as the defective items are weeded out of this the population. That like the when your production will be produced during your the industrial procedures, then you have to the first phase also will be seen there how many defects will be comes, and also these defective products not will be reached toward this the customers. Then you have to early bits on also the during toward the infant mortalities, you have to find that, also you have to consider these will be defects, and also this is the stopping not will be reaching towards the populations. Then your company portfolio also will be maintained properly, there is the no defects will be come, and also there is the no disturbance will be comes in your productivity, and this will be benefits for your company. And another things in the context of this the diffusion of innovations, this means negative word of mouth will be comes, that like the hazard function is a monotonically decreasing functions of the proportions adapted, and basically this will be the negative words will be comes in your mouth during toward the infant mortality, and also this will be the defective product will be produced during this system. Then also the hazardous functions also will be comes during toward the monotonically decreasing function of the proportions adapters also will be here. And you can see the value of k, that like the k is equals to 1, and then indicates that the failure rate is constant over time. Basically you have to consider according to the k value will be increases, not will be the 0, and this will be value will be 1. Then this will be rate is constant over time. This might suggest random external events. Random external events are causing mortality also will be considered according to the Weibull distribution curve. Or the failures, this will be Weibull distribution reduces the exponential distributions also, and your exponential distribution, that means this causing of this the failures you have to reduce, and also this will be considers the random external events are the mortality, and also this will be failures will be considered, and this reduce on exponential distributions will be considered. And another things, a value of k is greater than 1, that like this is the indicates that the failure rates increase with time, and sometimes you have to consider you have to product the defects will be reduces, that like your the infant mortality, and also you have to consider for your the exponential distributions. And another things, the k value is the greater than none, then this will be the indicates that the failures rates will be increases during towards this the time periods, and this happens if there is an aging process. Sometimes we have to consider during toward the in our research or like or the coating depositions on a metal, and you have to see the first times you have to consider some defects will be arise, then this will be stopping this the productions, and also this is the coating will be stopping, and again this is the something wrong also will be happen during to this the procedures. Then again you have to consider to prepare this baths, and again you have to starting this the coating depositions, and after few times later in the times will be increases, and also the increasing or the failure rates are like this will be aging will be comes, and the aging process or the parts that are more likely to fail as time goes on. And another things that it in the context of this the diffusions of innovations also will be here, and the function is fast convex, the convex with an influence points at also will be considered according to this. And you can see that this is the figures will be comes according to the Weibull distributions, and that like the lambda value is considered according to 1, that means the k value is equals to 0.5, and again you have to consider the lambda value is the 1, and the k value also will be the 1. That place the this is the 1 will be the blue colors diagrams we can see during toward the lambda value equals to 1, and then like the k value equals to 0.5. And another things, the purple colors will be counts that like the lambda value equals to 1 and also k equals to also will be 1, and violet color also will be seen that during toward this figure the lambda equals to 1 and also k equals to 1.5, and another things you can see that like or the lambda equals to 1 and the k equals to 5 we can find during toward this the figure, and also this will be depends according toward the k and lambda ratio will be considered according toward this the diagrams. And another things will be considered according toward our probability density function, that like the PDF. And the probability density functions or the density of continuous random variables is a function whose value at any given samples in the sample space can be interpreted as providing a relative likelihoods that the value of the random variables would equal that samples also will be considered according to the probability density function, that likes the you have to density will be increases during toward the random variables, that like the your function shows the value at any given samples in the sample space can be interrupted as providing a relative likelihoods that the value of the random variables would equal that samples. And another things will be considered according to the while that the absolute likelihoods for the continuous random variables take on any particular value of 0, that like the value of the probability density functions or two different samples can be used of inverse in any particular draw of this the random variables, how much more likely in that of the random variables would equal on samples compared to this the other samples. Basically this will be comparison come from this the two samples, and the same type of variables and also the parameters will be mentioned according to the system of products will be comes. Then also you have to consider the which one will be the much more effective, and also which one will be draw to this the less error also will be comes during to your the systems. Then you have to consider according to this one will be the correct procedures will be done during toward the probability density functions, and this will be compared between this the two samples, and also the based on will be accepted. And another things you have to seen during toward the probability density functions also will be described here, and you can see this is the two figures, and also this will be considered according toward the two four sigma positives and 4 sigma negatives also will be considered according to here. The one is the q1 minus the 1.5, and also the iqr also will be considered according to here, and also in between of this the median versions will be comes there the box plot, and the probability density function of a normal distributions will be seen during toward the 0, and also the sigma squares will be putting this the value, and also this will be considered according toward the probability density functions. And you can see here the medians and median positions also the your peak also will be higher, and another things also will be considered according to this the initial phase. You can see that likes your the your error or this the failures will or the more or the infant mortality will be the lowers also will be considered according to your this the figure, and during to the probability density functions, and also this will be comes, and this is the depends on the negative sigma to this the positive sigma, that like your the value also will be the higher, and also the positive peak also is found during toward the blue zone, and the second distributions also will be considered. The another sample also will be given here, that this will be considered that like your the minus 1 sigma to this the positive 1 sigma, and this will be gap is the higher also will be the peak is found during toward this the mean will be the higher region, that like the you have to consider according to this two samples also will be defined for this the different parameters, the same parameters, and also the same concentrations you have to given, and also the different value will be comes. And another things also will be discussed according to your the advantage of Weibull distributions. The process has now been replaced by statistical software programs, and is today the most widely used techniques for analyzing lifetime data in the world. Also will be considered according to the Webel distribution. That like the you have to use for this the technique, that like you have to consider for this the analysis of this the lifetime systems according to the advantages of this the Webel distributions. And another things, the major advantage to using Webel analysis is that it can be used for analyzing lifetime with very small samples also. That like you have to consider the Webel density distributions functions also will be considered according to the small particles according to this the manufacturing units, and also this will be the analyze the which type of systems you have to adapt it properly, and also this will be considered according to your the lifetime of your the company, and also this will be the small samples can be detected, and also small samples can be analyzed for your this procedures, and it also produce and easy to understand plots also will be required. So during toward the easy understand during toward this plotting procedures. That like the you have to given this the plotting, the only the two parameters also will be considered according to your this the k value will be different during to your the systems, and also very easily you have to plot and also sort out this the which procedures will be done during to this the Webel distributions function. And also this will be notice the long short periods, and this Webel distributions will be considered according to this the long term analyzing procedures will be maintained during to your the procedures. And another things, the system reliability models also will be discussed. The from this the simplest to most complex systems will be considered according to your the system reliability models. That like your the reliability you have to consider according to the real life problems will be solved during towards this the manufacturing systems. That like the this will be the simplest to the most complex systems. The building and using a reliability model permits the entire team to make better decisions. And basically you have to consider according to your the manufacturing industry, that like you have to record for your the better decision is the much more essential. For this will be help for your the simplest and also the complex procedures can be identified, and also you have to decide the more easily during to your the system reliability models. And another things, the understandings and monitoring system reliability involves the knowing both also will be considered. The reliability of elements within the systems also will be considered according to your this the first systems, and the another things the as well as how the elements related to each other reliability wise also will be considered according to your this the second systems. We use the system reliability models to identify weak links, to focus resources to meet our desired reliability goals also will be considered. That means the each and every industry have to the reliability goals will be set up, and then you have to consider the according to this identified weak links. The few times you can see that this on according to this the group technology, then the different places you have to produce to your the different components according to your this the manufacturing systems, and then this the different components you have to comes in your the systems, and also this will be the assemble will be done. And during to these procedures you can see the ones components not will be properly linked, and also the properly designs, also the product properly productions will be done during to your the procedures. Then you have to consider this the weak links, and the focus on the resources to meet out the design reliability goals also will be considered. The being able to build the right model to the best meet your the team's needs in one of your roles as a reliability professionals also will be considered according to your the system reliability models. And during to your the system reliability models, the few terms also will be recorded according to this the system reliability models, and the one of them of this the system reliability models will be comes will be the reliability block diagrams. And the a reliability block diagrams RBD is a diagrammatics method for showing how components reliability contributes to the success or failure of redundants also will be considered according to your the reliability block diagrams will be comes. And another things, the reliability block diagram is also known as dependence diagram. That like the DD is comes from this the dependent diagram. This will be considered according to your the reliability block diagram, and RBD, that like the reliability block diagram, is drawn as a series of block connected in parallel, or the series configurations also will be comes according to the reliability block diagram. That like you have to see the different type of block diagrams we can consider. And another things, the parallel blocks indicates redundant subsystems or components that contributes to lower failure rates. Each block represents a component of the system with a failure rates also will be considered. And another things, the RBDS will indicate the types of redundancy in the parallel paths. For the example, a group of parallel blocks could require 2 out of 3 components to success for the systems to succeed. And another things, by contrast, any failures along a series path causes the entire series path of these failures will be considered according to the reliability block diagrams. You can see that this will be the A reliability block diagrams will be considered, and you can see the system A, that like the lambda 1 will be considered according to the system A, and that these systems A will be comes to this from this the system A go to this the system B system, just like the lambda 2 just like the system B. This will be the considered according to the subsystems, and these subsystems will be used during toward this the reliability block diagrams. And also these subsystems go to this the subsystem C, that like the lambda 3, and these subsystems will be considered according to it. This the lambda C and lambda 3, and this coming from this the lambda 3, this will be goes to this the another reliability block diagram, that like the system D, that like will be given this value will be the lambda 4, and during to these procedures you have to consider according to the by constructs any failures along the series path causes the entire series path to failures will be comes during toward the reliability block diagrams. And another things will be considered according to this the fault tree analysis. The fault tree analysis is the one of them of the system systems analysis also will be here, that like the fault tree analysis is a top down deductive failure analysis in which an undesired states of systems is analyzed using the Boolean logics to combine a series of lower level events will be comes during toward the fault tree analysis, and this will be considered according to the Boolean logics. The horse will be faults will be come during toward the on tree, that like you can see the different type of tree analysis will be considered according to the manufacturing hubs, and also the different groups technology also will be come during toward the fault tree analysis. This analysis methods is mainly used in safety engineering and the reliability engineering to understand how systems can fail, how systems can fail, and also how to identify the best way to reduce risk and determine event rates of the safety accident or particular systems level function or this the failures. And all things also will be considered according to the failures will be recovered, and also this will be reduce the failure rates, and also will be considered during toward the zero defect concentration according to the quality engineering. The similarly you have to the reliability, you have to how you have to consider it according toward the fault tree analysis, and also you have to go to this the zero defects will be comes during toward the systems, that like the it will be identified to this the best way to reduce risk and to determine the the rates of this the safety during toward the accidents, and also the particular system level. And another things, the fault tree analysis is used to in the aerospace engineering, that like or the aerospace and also the nuclear power plants, and sometimes you can see during toward the chemical plants, and also process paramedicals also will be the photochemicals also will be considered according to things, and others high hazard industries, but is also used in field as a diverse as risk factors, the identifications, also the relating to social service systems or failures will be considered according to here the during toward the fault tree analysis. That like the how many faults will be comes, and where you have to the faults will be comes, and also how you have to recover this fault, and also how you have to reduce these faults. The all things also will be considered according to this the few industries, and that like or this the social service systems, and also this social service systems will be considered according to the service industry. That like you can see the different service industry. Then you have to concentrate the how you have to provide this the good quality of service of your the products. That like your the customer satisfactions will be considered. Then you have to try to your this the fault tree analysis, and also recovery to the quickly recovery on this the failure. And another things, the fault tree analysis is also used in software engineering. That like or this the software engineering, the few software engineering will be considered according to or this the service engineering. That like the Tata consultancy service, this like will be given some service to this the another company, and you have to take up some job from this the different company, and also this will be provides service during to this the company. Then this will be considered according to or this the software engineering. For devising process purpose also will be here, and also is closely related to cause eliminations technique used to detect bugs also will be considered from this the fault tree analysis. And you can see that this is the fault tree analysis will be comes during to our this figure. That like the this is the example for the process water systems also will be considered. And the first will be the curing temperature low. You can see the according to your the water process systems also will become that like you have to consider according to which is the harm will be considered. That like your the curing temperature will be very low. That like suppose that like your the water purifying system, that suppose in your home aquaguards, you can see the on radiations will be given during to your the system. That like the ultraviolet ray will be passing these waters, and also this water the inactive your this bacteria. That like the on temperature will be considered according to your water will be passing through your the aquaguard, and on the ultraviolet ray will be passed through this, and also your the bacteria is the present in your the water. Then this water will be the bacteria is the inactive within 48 hours, and this will be considered according to your the temperature will be dependent, and during to this temperature will be the low, then this will be comes in the harm. And or the you have to consider according to your the gate you have to given the OR gate or the AND gate will be comes on these systems. And another things, the procedures not available at work stations also will be considered. That like you have to given this the hazards will be come during to this the procedures. That means that your procedures not available at the work station. And another things you have to consider, the operators untrained. And sometimes you can see the in our different type of RO plants, and you have to consider the few medicines will be given for your this the RO plant will be properly maintained in our and then you have to consider your component or this the chemicals will be given the either lower or either higher. Then this will be water is the not will be proper trained. That like your the untrained operators, then this will be considered according to your the AND gate will be given. That like your the procedures not available at the orchestration, either the operator is the untrained. And another things will be comes during to this the temperature defected also will be considered. This will be the OR gate also will be comes during to this the system. That like the hazards will be come from this the calibration not performed. That like the few cases the message will be not properly calibrated. This will be considered will be come during to all the hazards. And also either you have to consider the incorrectly set up also will be considered during to these procedures. And also another things also or you have to consider during to the sensor faults. And for this the you have to consider this the OR gate or the AND or OR gates you have to given, and also you have to error during to your this fault tree analysis also will be considered during to these procedures. And also you have to given reduce to this the risk, and also the maintain this reduce to this the failures you have to consider according to your the fault tree analysis. And another will be discussed according to the success tree analysis. That's like is the STA. It is the very similar to an fault tree analysis, except the top event is success state rather than a failures, the fault states. Basically, the fault tree analysis you have to consider according to the top events, or the top will be considered according to the faulty, but the success tree analysis you have to consider according to this the final states you have to consider this will be the success in this way. The instead the focusing on how the systems can fail, the model focus on how the elements of the systems related, the including the events such that the systems functions will be the as a the defectors will be the, so the success also will be come. Now basically the which vendors options also will be considered. That like your the vendor will be the much more essential, because your vendors also will be given to this the good quality type of raw materials, and also that this will be the tested these things also will be considered according to this. That like the which vendor operations also will be here, and this is the like the US based, and the overseas also will be considered. And you can see the bottom of this, that is the success is the 50% change you have to come, and failures also will be the 60% 50% change will be come. That like the 15k dollar will be lost, and also the profits will be 120k profits dollar will be profits will be considered. And to this the topmost portions will be comes, that like the success is the 80% change will be the success rates, and the failure rates will be the 20%. That like the dollar is the 20k loss you do this system, and also the dollar 100k also the profits. This will be comes during toward the 80% change, and the 20% failure change will be come during toward the success tree analysis. And the Markov models also will be considered in probability theory. A Markov model is a stochastic models used to model randomly changing systems. It is assumed that the future states depends only on current states also, the not on the event that occurred before it. That it assumes the Markov properties. Generally, these assumptions enables the reasoning and the computations with the model that would otherwise be interactable. This for these reasons, in the field of predictive modelings and the probabilistics forecastings, it desirable for the given model to exhibits the Markov properties also will become. During to these systems you have to consider according to this the description of partitionized the survival versus Markov models also will be considered. According to the conventional Markov models, you have to say during to the progressions tree, and also the progressions disease also will becomes during to this, and during to this the procedures will be considered. The rationalized survival analysis also will be considered according to the survival curves. In the state membership derived the from non mutually exclusive survival curves. Overall, the survival OS is the patient also will be to estimates the proportions the patients is in the progressions free, and the progressed dies health states also will be considered during to this the procedures. And you have to see that during the patients will be the vertical line, and also the times in years also is the considered according to this the horizontal line. And you can see this the two curves will be here. This is the one is the OS curve, and another PFS curve also will be considered. That like the progress disease states also will be considered according to this on states, and this will be death will be considered the these regions. And then you have to goes to these systems, and the transitions probabilities will be count during to the state memberships determines the using matrix of transitions probabilities, which determines the probability that an individual will the transitions in given the periods will be considered. And another things also will be discussed, the parity net models optimized for this the simulations. And the introductions, the simulations can be considered as a tool able to mimic in an approximated way some of the properties also will be here. Set of alternative spirit needs on classics, and usually intuitive way to present a systems with a non-completely also will be here. The compound parity net parametrics parity net in this sections. A compound parity net is defines as a parametric weight needs also will be here. The conclusion simulations is a very useful tool for analyze the structure and the especially the behavior of the models. You can see this will be the on a predictive net models will be comes during to this the procedures. The on will be the request arrives also will be here. The request is the waiting, and then you have to go to the control available here. The allocation disk controller will be given that like the wait for the disk drives, and again the allocate drives, disk drives will be come, and also this will be goes to this seek in progress, and the end seek starts transfers also will be here, and the transfers in progress will be considered, and again this will be transferred to the downward direction that like the transfer completes, and disk drives also will be here, and the available is considered, and then again this will be go to this the controller availables will be considered, and the failure mechanisms models will be here. The failure mechanisms model or physics of failures, the POFs models elements that specifically the components may have one or more ways they can fail. Sometimes there are known and dominant failure mechanisms also here. The modeling this mechanisms permits us to evaluate the design or uses changes. The difference in use conditions etc. also will be considered according to this, and this will be considered the failure the physics of failure. This like the POFs will be a scientific disciplines, the reliability physics analysis. And the RPA and engineering disciplines also will be considered. The system reliability analysis, the qualifications test development and result analysis, also the system safety analysis and the certifications and the design verifications and approval, the design change evaluations and approvals and others also will be considered according to the system. And the next classes discuss the series systems. Okay, thank you students.